This was the blizzard of 2010. This is my patio. Those are my tiki torches. Somewhere there is my fire pit. Who knows where. 22, 23 inches the other day. Somewhere about 14 to 15 today so far. I'll take you on a quick walk up through the path that my wife plowed through the yard. It's a dual path designed to not only allow us to walk around the house, but it's my dream that if there is a quick melt, that this will carry the water down through this little channel. And I'm going to show you, because I'm going to walk the whole expanse of it, that this actually goes the entire length of my house out to the street. And that's my hope, that if there is a quick melt and the water's running, that it'll stay inside this channel and basically end up the whole way down here. You can see right now that it is still snowing. I'll walk back up the street. There's the house. There's the tree in the front yard. Just to give you some perspective, that's the tree that is about somewhere about 8 to 10 feet. Actually, it's probably closer to 10 feet tall when it's up. It's my neighbor Wick, still at it. And we're going to walk up here really fast. Here's the cars, the carport. We actually sent Becky on the roof to clear snow the other day. Here's the house, and we got some Mucho Grande icicles going. And we have not broken these. And the reason we haven't broken these is because the boys have built an ice fort. Let me clear my throat and say excuse me. I made another path in case the water came down the front, but it still had a way to get down to the street. And then you can see the boys' ice fort right here. And there's their ice fort with their icicles, which the other day the icicles were up tall and they have gotten buried today. It's freezing, it's cold. I'm here somewhere. There I am, I hope. When I get in the house, I'll look and see if I'm on camera. If not, just listen to my voice. I'm going to go in because I officially have frostbite.